What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're going to talk about XRP in this video. I've got to shout out you guys, the community, because this isn't something I really did get involved in. And then we bought live on the stream, and I've been involved and certainly watching this ever since. And I do think this is going to be one of those projects that could make people a significant amount of money. You guys all know what I invested in if you tune into my live streams. I'm going to talk a little bit about the Hinman documentation and why this could absolutely be the big catalyst for XRP. That being said, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, if you're holding XRP or you're excited about the outcome of this, be sure to smash a like on this video. Let's get everybody to see this in crypto and let's talk about what's going on. So we will come back and talk about exactly what the lawsuit Hinman documents is about and what people are talking about. But first, let's take a quick look at the chart and understand where we are. So we have just seen a little bit of a sell-off, only just underneath the flat trading, but we have seen a significant increase through the middle of today. A nice real move up into this $46.46 range. Now we've got a couple of lines of support drawn up here. For anyone that doesn't know, this yellow hashed line is the point in which I bought some XRP live on stream. But a couple of indicators for me: RSI's still trending upwards, but still in the really nice in the middle bit, and then money flow is looking pretty good. So people are buying XRP right now. Now you can see here we did blow through this bottom level of support I had at the 46s. We came and tested it twice and then have gone all the way up. Now we are currently trending upwards to this sort of 4679 range, and if we can break that, we are on our way back up into these higher points, hopefully then breaking through this 48-cent mark. So some really interesting levels for support. We've used them a number of times, but the chart looking pretty good for XRP as people think and look to the Hinman documentation and ultimately what that could mean for XRP. And if you are interested in buying XRP, be sure to head over to BingX right now. For all of you guys watching this video, if you go and sign up with the link in the description down below, you're going to bag yourself $20 just for signing up. You can get over here, you can spot trade, you can convert, grid trade, copy trade, do any of the things you can do on all of these big exchanges. With this though, BingX have got you guys $4,000 for only the next couple of days in bonuses if you sign up using my link down below. It's a great exchange. They've got loads of academies. You can go and learn all about cryptocurrency, and like I said, using that link down below is going to bag you $20 just for signing up. So be sure to go and check BingX out, and thank you for them for sponsoring this video. Now again, like I said, we talked about the chart. Certainly feels a pretty strong chart right now, so we'll keep an eye as this week goes on. But what is everybody talking about? Well, we got this bit of documentation. This came out a couple of days ago. It says, after months of legal wrangling, the SEC finally agrees to release documents that Ripple says could shed light on the agency's thinking on crypto as it pursues a lawsuit against crypto company. Now, here's the interesting thing with this. Obviously, the SEC want to call Ripple a security, and we talked a little bit about XRP and XLM and the difference between the two, but XRP in this law case is much bigger than just this one. It says the case over whether XRP is a security remains closely watched as it could set a legal precedent affecting the entire industry. The crypto powerhouse's leadership marked the win by ripping into regulators now widely viewed as the industry's nemesis. The SEC wants you to think that it cares about disclosure, transparency and clarity. CEO Brad Garlinghouse said in a tweet, "Don't believe them. When the truth eventually comes out, the shamefulness of their behavior will shock you." And there's a really interesting couple of videos by a couple of people on YouTube talking about the kind of fiat currency and talking about how they try and keep us in this bubble where cryptocurrency and all of our own decentralized beings doing things with this really is against what they want. It says the SEC and Ripple have been embroiled in a legal battle since 2020 when the agency sued the cryptocurrency for alleged security laws violation. The SEC has argued that Ripple failed to register roughly 1.4 billion worth of XRP, the cryptocurrency used on the Ripple network. Now remember, Ripple is used as a bank-to-bank transfer network to obviously speed it up and make it cheaper. Ripple rejected the claim. The case, which has dragged on for more than a year and a half, centers on the SEC's argument that most cryptocurrencies should be regulated as securities. Now we know we're probably going to get stable coins. That's why for me, I'm really interested in holding a bag of USTC, because I think that could be the one decentralized stable coin that we could still have in the space. Now, Hinman was a member of the SEC leadership around the time of the agency filed the lawsuit against Ripple. He stepped down at the end of 2020 and is now an advisor. Ripple demanded that the SEC also release emails and other documents related to the way the Hinman speech was discussed internally. The SEC rejected that demand and appealed a federal judge order to them to comply. Ripple finally prevailed last week. Over 18 months and 6 court orders, we finally have the Hinman docs. Ripple General Counsel Stuart already announced in a tweet. Now, this is the big thing. This could be exactly what Ripple need, that showcase the fact that basically the SEC were going after it deliberately to try and regulate cryptocurrency. And this is why when we talk about Ripple and we talk about XRP, they are much bigger than just this law case, because it stands for the entire cryptocurrency market. It says, obviously, the ferociousness of its battle to withhold them suggests there may be something problematic or embarrassing within, he told the protocol. I think that's why we saw this initial real big move on the market back before here. It's a really nice move up as the Hinman documents were told they were going to be released. So this is going to get really interesting. And again, let's be clear, if the Hinman documents come out and the SEC win this case, expect to see a strong move in terms of the price for XRP. So you are going to have to hedge your bets on whether you think XRP are going to win the case or not. I do think if they weren't, we will see a big shift out of the entire global crypto market as people become nervous. But I, for one, think Ripple will win, and I think the Hinman documents are certainly going to be an interesting part. But if you like that kind of thing, you want to stay up to date with XRP, let me know down in the comments what you think. Do you think Ripple will win this case or not? And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I appreciate all of your support. You have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next video.